susceptible to wind of this magnitude and may be overturned. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms have the potential to cause serious injury and significant property damage. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely,
LaPorte and St. Joseph, plus the following Michigan counties, Berrien and Cass. Effective until 4:09 p.m., the National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for St. Joseph County in north central Indiana, LaPorte County in northwestern Indiana, western Cass County in southwestern Michigan, Berrien County in southwestern Michigan. Until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time /2:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time at 2:38 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for St. Joseph County, Indiana, LaPorte County in northwestern Indiana, western Cass County in southwestern Michigan, Berrien County in southwestern Michigan, until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 2:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time,
Source radar
and 2:38 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 1:38 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 16 miles northwest of St. Joseph to near New Buffalo to near Lake Station, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include South Bend, Mishawaka, Michigan City, LaPorte, Niles, Benton Harbor, St. Joseph, Dulac, Westville, Buchanan, Georgetown, Trail Creek, Louisville Airport, Granger, Benton Heights, Fair Plains, Osceola, Bridgman, Walkerton, and North Liberty. This includes the following highways: Interstate 196 between mile markers 0 and 7. Interstate 80 in Indiana between mile markers 38 and 87. Interstate 94 in Indiana between mile markers 33 and 45. Interstate 94 in Michigan between mile markers 0 and 42. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time or 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana, LaPorte and St. Joseph, and the following counties in Michigan, Berrien and Cass. This is a severe